Welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss intermediate second year mathematics paper 2B. So 2B paper అంటేనే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బందిగా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటారు. డోంట్ వరీ. మన ఛానల్ చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యూటోరియల్ ఉంది. ఆ భయం అవసరం లేదు. చాలా సింపుల్గా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నేర్చుకుందాము, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేద్దాము. బీ పేపర్ను చాలా సింపుల్గా డీల్ చేద్దాము. వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేసే కన్నా ముందు మన ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్లో రూపంలో అందుతుంది. ఒకవేళ నోటిఫికేషన్ రాకపోయినా ఎవ్రీడే ఈవినింగ్ 6:30 తర్వాత ఒకసారి మన ఛానల్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. క్లాసెస్ అప్లోడ్ చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కూడా షేర్ చేయండి. మన ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్టింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. We discuss the next definition. Secant of a circle and chord of a circle. A comma B are 2 points in a circle. Then the line is passing through the point A and point B is called a secant line. What does it mean, sir? If you take any points, point A and point B, the 2 points lies on the circle. Any line passing through the point A and point B, then this line is called as a secant of the circle. Secant of a circle. A comma B are 2 points lies on the circle, and if you take any line, the line is passing through the point A and point B, then this line is called that secant line of a circle. Next, the line segment joining A and B is called chord. C means here the point A and point B, you can joining them, you will get one line segment. You can joining them, you will get one line segment. This line segment is called as a chord of a circle. Chord of a circle. What is the chord here is AB line segment. It is the symbol. The secant line is AB line. Line is denoted by. This is the line. It is the segment. Then the line segment AB is called that. The line segment AB is called that chord of a circle, and the line AB is called that secant of a circle. Next, a chord is passing through the center. What is passing? The chord is passing through the center of a circle is called the diameter of the circle. Let's see here, if you take one circle, this is the circle, then the center is C. What is there? The chord is passing through the center of the circle. The chord is any 2 points on the circle, you can joining them, you will get one line segment. That line segment is called that chord of a circle. Then AB is called that chord. The chord is passing through the center of the circle, that is why this is denoted by D. Then the diameter is denoted by D. The diameter D equal to 2 times of radius. 2 times of radius. That is why D equal to 2R. Any chord is passing through the center of the circle, then the line segment AB is called as a diameter of the circle. The diameter is denoted by D, small d, then D equal to 2 times of the radius. That means D equal to 2R. Next we discuss the circle and parametric equations. Circle and parametric equations means, let's see here, it is a circle, the center equal to C H comma K, and the point P lies on the circle, that is equal to X comma Y. You can joining them, you will get radius R. Okay, then if you take the both coordinate axes, X axis and Y axis, we can extended them the line CP, can extended them the line CP, it makes an angle of theta with the positive direction of positive x axis. Okay, then draw the perpendicular line from the C to the x axis, draw the another perpendicular line from P to the x axis. It meets the x axis at the point of D and M. D comma M are the projections of C and P. Okay, take one more perpendicular line from the C to the line PM, it meets as point Q. Okay, Q is the projection of point C. It is the angle of theta. Okay, next what is the point H comma K means this distance is denoted by H. Okay, it is a point X means it is denoted by the length of OM equal to small x. Okay, this distance CD equal to, it is denoted by K. Okay, the total distance PM is denoted by Y. Okay, so here I will take the circle and the center C equal to H comma K, and point P lies on the circle, that is P x comma Y. You can joining PQ, it is denoted by the radius R, and we can extend the line CP, it makes an angle of theta with respect to the positive direction of positive x axis, and draw the two perpendicular lines from the C and P to the x axis. The x axis meets the perpendicular lines at the point of D and M. Next, take one more perpendicular line from the point C to the line PM, it meets at Q. Q is the projection of C. Okay, next OD is distance, the distance of OD is denoted by H, and the distance of OM is denoted by small x. Next, the distance of CD is denoted by K, and the distance of PM is denoted by Y. See here, for this diagram you can write angle of PCQ equal to theta. Okay, according to this triangle we can write this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees means it is the hypotenuse, it is the opposite side, it is the adjacent side. According to the triangle of PCQ, then write the cos theta value. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means CQ by hypotenuse means CP. Similarly, take the sin theta value. Sin theta equal to opposite side of theta equal to PQ, opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to CP. Then cos theta equal to CQ by, what is the CP value? CP is nothing but radius of the circle, that is denoted by small r. Similarly, sin theta equal to PQ by CP value equal to r. So according to this equation you can take the cross multiplication, CQ equal to r into cos theta. Okay, then PQ equal to r into sin theta, r into sin theta. Next you can write OM value. OM equal to according to the diagram, the total distance OM can be written as OD plus DM. OD plus DM. Okay, next what is the DM? DM is equivalent to this length. DM equivalent to this length. What is this length equal to? See here, CQMD, it is the rectangular. In rectangular opposite sides are equal, so that is why DM is equivalent to the CQ. So OM equal to OD plus, what is the DM value? DM is equivalent to CQ. Since DM is equivalent to CQ according to the rectangular. Next, OM value equal to X, OD value equal to H, plus CQ equal to, what is the CQ value equal to? R into cos theta. It is the one of the equation of the parametric equation. X equal to H plus R cos theta. Similarly we have to write the total distance PM equal to, how to write the PM value equal to MQ plus PQ. MQ plus PQ. What is the MQ value equal to? According to the MQ equal to the distance of CD. The distance of CD. MQ is equivalent to the CD. Why? Because CQMD is a rectangular. In rectangular opposite sides are equal. So that is why the QM equal to CD. then PM equal to CD plus PQ. Next, PM equal to, what is the CD value equal to? The CD value equivalent to QM value equivalent to, that is equal to K. Then you can write K plus PQ. What is the PQ value equal to? R into sin theta. Then R into sin theta. What is the PM value? The total distance equal to Y. Then you can write Y equal to K plus R sin theta. So then X equal to H plus R cos theta, then Y equal to K plus R sin theta. These are the equation of parametric equation of the given circles. The parametric equation of the circles means X equal to H plus R cos theta, then Y equal to K plus R sin theta. Just principles are very important. The proof is not necessary for annual examination. Just for your understanding, I can solve the proof also. Okay. Next, equation of a circle in diameter form. So equation of the circle in diameter form means take the circle and C is the center, it is the diameter. What is a equation of the circle in the diameter form? Diameter form means what is the extreme points? I will take the point A equal to x1 y1, the point B equal to x2 y2. These are the end points of the diameter. Suppose given the end points of the diameter, then you can write the equation of the circle. This circle equation is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. This is the equation of circle in the diameter form. Next definition, concyclic. What is the definition of concyclic? Means the points A comma B comma C and D are said to be concyclic if they lie on the same circle. So that means it is the given circle. What is same? C is the center of the circle. The given the points point A and point B, point C and point D. The given the all points lies on the same circle, then the points are called that concyclic. The given the points A comma B comma C and D, these points are lies on the same circle, then these points are called that concyclic. Next we discuss circle and notations. So throughout these topics you can use these notations. What is the notation of S equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This equation is denoted by S. The notation of S equal to this one, S equal to 0. Next S1. The notation of S1 equal to xx1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. It is at the point x1 y1. This is the notation of at the point of x1 y1. Similarly S2. S2 means at the point of x2 y2. We can write xx2 plus y2 plus g into x plus x2 f into y plus y2 plus c equal to 0. It is also at the point x2 y2. Okay. Next S11. The notation of S11 equal to x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 2fy1 plus c equal to 0. Similarly S12 equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c equal to 0. These are the notations. The throughout topic you can use S, S1, S2 and S11, S12. Next we discuss one important condition. The circle is passing through the 3 points, that is A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. Let's see here. Suppose I will take S is the center of the circle and point A and point B and point C. The given the 3 points A comma B and C are lies on the same circle and SB the center. The center is denoted by H comma K. Okay. What is the condition? By observation of the diagram, if you joining the points SA or SB or SC, all are equal to r. Why? Because SA is nothing but radius, SB also radius, and SC also radius. In a circle the constant distance is same. So that is why according to the diagram you can write SA equal to SB equal to SC. This is the important condition. Any point, the points lies on the circle, these points are equidistant from the center of the circle. So that means SA equal to SB equal to SC. This is the condition for any 3 points lies on the circle, then it is satisfying to the condition is SA equal to SB equal to SC. The first exercise concept is over. Next we discuss exercise problems. The first problem is find the equation of the circle with the center C and radius r, where given that center C and radius. See here, the given that C equal to always the center is denoted by h comma k. So that means C h comma k is given that 2 comma minus 3 and the radius r equal to 4 units. We know that center and radius. What is the required equation? Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then you can substitute x minus of 2 whole square plus y minus 3 means minus into minus plus 3 whole square equal to 4 square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. It is a plus b whole square. A square x square plus b square 4 minus of 2 into 2 4x, y square plus 9 plus 6y. 4 square means 16 plus 16 can be written as here, that is equal to minus 16 equal to 0. So write one order x square y square, after that write the x terms minus 4x plus 6y. Okay, next find the constant value. 9 plus 4 equal to 13 plus 13 minus 16 equal to minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle when the given center is 2 comma minus 3 and radius r equal to 4 units. The second question, given that the center C equal to h comma k equal to minus a comma minus b and the radius r equal to square root of a square minus b square. So what is the equation of the circle given the center h comma k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then you can substitute x minus of minus a plus a whole square plus y minus b means minus into minus plus b whole square, then r square square root of a square minus b square whole square. Square root both are gets cancelled. Then x square plus a square plus 2ax, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly y square plus b square plus 2by, it is equal to a square minus b square. Equal terms on both sides, both are gets cancelled, plus a square plus a square. Okay, next write one order x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by, constant values. Minus b square can be written as here b square plus b square plus 2b square equal to 0. It is the required equation of the circle. Given the center h comma k is given that cos alpha comma sin alpha, the radius r equal to 1. Equation of the circle is this one. Then you can substitute x minus of h cos alpha whole square plus y minus of sin alpha whole square equal to 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1. Next, it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus of 2x into cos alpha. Similarly, y square plus sin square alpha minus of 2y into sin alpha plus 1 can be written as here, that is equal to minus 1 equal to 0. Write in one order x square plus y square, after that x element minus of 2x into cos alpha minus of 2y into sin alpha, the remaining value is plus sin square x, okay, plus cos square x minus 1 equal to 0. Already we know that from the trigonometry's identity, what is the value of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha? It is cos square alpha, that is equal to 1. So then x square plus y square minus of 2x into cos alpha 2y into sin alpha plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Then both are gets cancelled. So finally you have to write x square plus y square minus of 2x into cos alpha 2y into sin alpha equivalent to 0. It is the required equation of the circle equation. Next question. Given the center C h comma k equal to 1 comma 7 and the radius r equal to 5 by 2. Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So that means x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 7 whole square equal to 5 by 2 whole square. Then a square plus b square minus of 2x y square plus 49 minus 14y a square plus b square minus of 2ab. It is equal to 25 by 4. Write one order x square plus y square minus of 2x minus 14y. The constant value is 49 plus 1 plus 50. Okay, this value can be written as here minus 25 by 4 equal to 0. Write one bracket. Okay, next x square plus y square minus of 2x minus of 14y plus what is the LCM? LCM is 4. Then 4 into 50, that is equal to 200 minus 25. It is equal to 0. So finally you have to write x square plus y square minus of 2x minus of 14y. So 200 minus 25 equal to plus 175 by 4. It is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle. Next question. Find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having the center at minus 4 comma minus 3. See here you can observation of the diagram, you can find this circle equation, but given condition is having the center C is given that minus 4 comma minus 3 and the circle is passing through the origin means 0 comma 0. I will take this is the point P. Already we discussed, if you write the equation of the circle you must know that center and radius. Already according to the problem given center, just you have to find the radius. How you can find the radius? You can joining the center and the point P. So CP is nothing but R. According to the diagram, then R equal to radius R equal to CP. CP means the distance between the 2 points, that is equal to square root of 0 minus of minus plus 4 whole square plus 0 minus of minus plus 3 whole square. Then radius R equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square. It is equal to 16 plus 9 equal to root 25. So then radius R equal to 5 according to the rank. Next, given center C equal to, C is denoted by h comma k equal to given that minus 4 comma minus 3. We know that center and radius. What is the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then x minus of h value minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus y minus of minus plus 3 whole square. Then r square is nothing but 5 square. It is equal to x square plus 16 2 into 4 8x a square y square plus b square 3 square means 9 plus 2ab 2 into 3 6y. It is equal to 5 square can be written as that is minus 25 equal to 0. Okay, write in one order x square plus y square, after that x element 8x, write the y element 6y, then calculate the constant values 16 plus 9 plus 25 minus 25. So then both are gets cancelled. So then you can write x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y equivalent to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Next we discuss the same question. Find the equation of the circle. It is passing through the point is 2 comma minus 1 and having the center at 2 comma 3. So here you can find this circle equation. given that center C equal to, what is the center C equal to 2 comma 3, and the circle is passing through the point is given that P2 comma minus 1. So joining them, this is the radius R. Okay, according to the problem, given center CH comma K equal to 2 comma 3. So from the diagram, the radius R equal to CP. Then R equal to square root of distance between the point C and point P. Then just you have to subtract C to P. Then 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. X1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So then R equal to square root of this value equal to 0 plus 4 square. It is equal to root 16. Then R equal to 4. Equation of the circle is having the center is h comma k and radius r. So then the equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then you can substitute x minus of h, that is equal to 2 whole square plus y minus of 3 whole square equal to r square 4 square. Then write a minus b whole square, again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus of 2ab, again plus y square plus 9 minus 6y, it is equal to minus 16 equal to 0. 4 square equal to 16, it can be written as the sign should be changed. So write in one order x square plus y square minus of 4x minus of 6y. Then calculate the constant values. 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 16 equal to minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. Discuss the same question. Important. Find the equation of the circle. It is passing through the point is given that minus 2 comma 3. Passing through the point means P minus 2 comma 3 lies on the circle and having the center at 0 0. The given the center C equal to 0 0. We can joining them, you will get the radius R. Okay. According to the problem, given center h comma k equal to 0 0 and radius R equal to, what is the radius R equal to? CP. Then R equal to square root of minus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. Then R equal to square root of minus 2 whole square means 4, 3 whole square means 9. So it is equal to root of 13. Okay. Then equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Then you can substitute x minus h value 0 plus y minus k whole square equal to r square equal to root of 13 whole square. Square root both are gets cancelled. X minus 0 whole square, x square, then y square equal to 13. It is the required equation of the circle. Last question for this model. Find the equation of the circle passing through 3 comma 4. Passing through the point is taken as 3 comma 4 and given the center at minus 3 comma 4. So according to the problem, given that center C equal to minus 3 comma 4 and radius R equal to CP. CP equal to square root of 3 minus of minus 3, that is 3 plus 3 whole square plus 4 minus of 4 whole square. It is equal to the radius R equal to square root of 3 plus 3, 6 whole square plus 0. Then R equal to root of 36. So then R equal to 6. It is the radius. We know that center and radius. Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So then x minus of h minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus y minus of 4 whole square equal to 6 square. Then you can write x square plus 9 plus 6x, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square means y square plus 16 minus of 8y, 6 square can be written as here, that is equal to minus 36 equal to 0. 6 square equal to 36. So right here the sign should be changed. Write in one order x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y 16 plus 9 plus 25 minus 36 equal to 0. Then finally you have to write x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y minus of 11 equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle.